Hello everyone and welcome to Vlinko's channel. In today's video, I will show you two simple ways to enable dark mode in Windows 11. And now let's get started. To begin, right-click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu that appears. Once in Settings, navigate to the Personalization tab on the left side. Within Personalization, click on Colors. Here you will see an option to choose your mode. Select Dark Mode from the available choices to instantly switch your Windows 11 interface to a darker theme. Alternatively, you can also enable Dark Mode by going through the Themes section. From the Personalization tab in Settings, select Themes. You will see a variety of themes displayed, categorized into light themes and dark themes. Any theme that features darker, blackish colors is considered a dark theme, while those with lighter colors are light themes. Simply select a dark theme to apply it and activate dark mode. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.